Design-based review. Hey guys, this is Shan from nkacademy.com and you are watching my design-based review. So in a nutshell, DesignBeast is a brand new cloud-based software that goes live on the JVZoo platform on the 24th of August, and it will be on a launch special discount. Plus, it will have commercial license right up on the front end for the early birds. Now, during this design-based review, what I'll do is that I'll first take you through a sales page of DesignBeast so that you can get to know what exactly DesignBeast claims it does. And then, as you can see, I have got access to the DesignBeast software as well. I'll take you through a demo of the DesignBeast software so that you exactly know whether it lives up to the claims or not. And then if you do decide to pick up DesignBeast via my link, which you can find down in the description, clicking on which you would come over to my bonus page that looks like this. And in here, you can find any and every info on DesignBeast. You can see I have put together all the infos over here. And also, since it has 6 different tools, it won't be possible for me to really go inside of all of them and describe you all the different features. I'll touch upon all of them. I'll also show you the main features. But if you want to know more about each of the tools, you can just click down on the description link, come over to my bonus page, and from here, you can check for yourself how premium all the 6 tools are. And then if you do decide to pick up DesignBeast, then you are also entitled to get my insane, never seen before bonus package, which contains all fresh bonuses and which would be automatically delivered inside your JVZoo account. With that being said, I'll come to these bonuses later. But before that, I want you to go through the sales page along with me so that we can get an idea about what DesignBeast is. So let's go for a sales page walkthrough. So as you can see, create sensational design, graphics, and animations in all languages with world's most powerful design suite powered by artificial intelligence. Now, if we scroll down here, we can find all features that it has, all the apps in general. We are not going to talk about that right now. I'll show you the demo. Now you can see what all you can create. You can create Facebook ads, you can create banners, you can create YouTube thumbnails, you can use the image filters, then you can use the image resizer so that you can create only one design and can use it across any platform you wish to. Then there is a logo maker that is AI powered, where you just need to insert the name and the type of company you have, and it will create 50+ combinations of logos, which is amazing. Then there is a one-click background removal, again AI powered. Then there's magic object removal. For this example, you can see this moon is not there in this image. So that's how powerful it is. Then there's a mockup designer that it has. It can be used to create t-shirt mockups, object mockups, or product mockups as well. You can create book covers as well using it. So the opportunities are actually endless with this tool. Now, if you scroll further down, you can see how you can make money with it. You can sell more product and services. You can double your advertising revenues because they have ad creatives which are done for you. Then you can increase your brand exposure. You can have more traffic. You can have more interaction with them. You can have your more freelance revenues because these are some highest sought after services on the freelancing platforms. And then if you scroll down here, you can find all the different testimonials that they have and all the different tools that are there. For example, this is the first tool, like the Epic Mockup Editor, as they call it. You can view its demo over here as well. And let me show you how it works. So you can create any kind of demo. For example, t-shirt and product mockups, you can use it. You can see how cool the things are. You can use it for Facebook covers. You can use it for Instagram ads. You can use it for Instagram stories as well. You can use it for letterheads. You can use it for web banners. You can use it for flyers, anything and everything. You can use them for infographics. Now, all these templates are actually built inside of the tool. As I already said, 7,000+ done for you templates are already there so that you can just edit them, point and click, edit, customize, and boom, you are done. So these are just a few things that I've touched upon. You can create YouTube thumbnails. You can create beautiful, engaging coupons. So that's quite amazing. You can use it anywhere and everywhere you wish to. Then you can see all the different templates that are based on different niches. Like this is the real estate. If you go for accountants, you can find here the accountants related. If you go for jewelry, if you go for health. So irrespective of what niche you are in, you can definitely find some done for you templates. Like if you are into technology, you can find it here. If you are into restaurants, salon, everything, right? So that's quite amazing stuff to have. The next tool is the AI powered logo maker, and it creates logos for you. It's an AI powered logo designer, like you can see over here. So it creates logos for you. Don't worry, I'll show you everything because I've got access to the tool. But before that, I just wanted to show you the kind of power that the different tools has. Now, coming to the third tool, which is quite amazing tool to have, this actually produces motion in still photos, and this can create some breathtaking engagement. You can see how engaging this image looks compared to this. Quite extraordinary. Then you can see this, you can see here it is moving, the sky is moving, amazing stuff. Then here you can see the eyeball is rotating, quite amazing. So that was one of the tool again. Then coming to the fourth tool, there is a one-click background removal. Now, with that being said, this you can find over the internet. However, this is, you can see how cool this is. Quite amazing stuff. Then you can go for the image editor, which actually allows you to add image filters. And you can also use this image enhancer sliders, which is amazing. As you can see, I'll show you, don't worry. You also have the image smoothing effects here. Like if there's an acne, you can use this to remove that as well. That's quite cool. Going to the next one is the magic object remover. This actually allows you to remove objects, unwanted objects from your scene. Then you can just scroll down here. You can find any and everything that is there. I'm not going to waste further time, yours or mine, in going through all of this because you can go through this at your own time. Then there are some bonuses as well. These are vendor bonuses. So you are definitely going to get all of them if you do decide to pick up DesignBeast. But apart from all of these bonuses, you are entitled to get my custom bonuses. That means these are not going to be available via any other affiliate. And if you wish to look at my bonuses, just go down on the description of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which will take you to my bonus page. Scrolling down a little, you can find my insane bonus bundle. Now you can find my amazing bonuses. Now, my bonus package mainly comprises of software. So there are no those kind of checklists or cheat sheets or any PDFs or Excels. There are real softwares. Many of them even cloud-based, and many of them have got reseller access to them as well, so that you can sell them off and get amazing revenues from them as well. Now, there are tons of software on my bonus page, so I can't really go on and explain each and every one of them right now, right here, because that will take a lot of time. So what I do insist you to do is that go down on the description of this video and click the link to my bonus page, come over to my bonus page and check for yourself how premium my bonuses are. And these are all my custom bonuses. That means these are only going to be available via my link. With that being said, please feel free to shop around and see what other affiliates are offering, because I am super confident that none would be even close to what I have offered on my bonuses. And I bet you would regret missing out my bonuses. So please go down on the description of this video and click the link to my bonus page and check for yourself how premium my bonuses are. With that being said, now it's time for us to actually dive inside of the tool, because as I said, I have got access to this DesignBeast software, and let us check out whether DesignBeast lives up to the expectation that it has made on the sales page. So let's join in for the DesignBeast demo. Hey, welcome to this DesignBeast demo, and in here you can find the trainings if you ever wish to, and then from in here you can find the support. Now all of Paul Poner's tools are supported till date, so this is quite amazing vendor to have. And one thing is for sure, that this app is there to stay for a long time. So in here you can find all the different apps. So anyone you wish to log in, you just need to click on this. So we'll start with the first app, which is the all-in-one design and mockup engine. So let's enter it. And here you can see you can search from the premium templates library. You can just search for anything. Say, for example, book cover. If you search for that, you are going to be presented with a number of designs like this. You can see over here. So some of these are on Elite, which is going to be the first upgrade. But other than this, all of these are right up on the front end. So if you wish to edit any of them, just click on that. And in here, you can just upload your logo, or you can do that later as well. But for this example, let us do it right now. And there you go. You can see my logo over here. Now you can edit anything and everything over here. You can change the text style. You can change the language, which is quite amazing. You can do it on any language, as I told you in the start. Then you can change the font colors so that it matches your brand. You can change the tools like you can have it uppercase, bold, italics, you can change the letter spacing, you can change the alignment, you can play around with anything and everything. Moreover, if you want to add another text, you can do that. Just click on text and click on heading, and you can see it has been added. Now, if in the same way, you can add images as well. It has got integration with Pixabay and Pexels. You can upload your own images as well. You can add objects to it as well. You can see over here. So there are tons of done for you stuffs that you can add. Then you can find all your objects right in here as well. You can find the different backgrounds that you could use. So let us click on this and see what changes are made. And you can see the background has been changed. Instead of changing everything, you can just play around with what suits the best for you. So that's up to you. That's quite amazing. And then you can upload anything from here as well. So that is something that you can do. You can play around with it. You can work around with anything and everything. There are ton for you templates for any design you wish to. And you are not restricted in terms of templates. If you scroll down, you can see more and more templates are loading every time. So as I said, 7,000 plus templates. So you are never going to be short of them. That's quite amazing. So you can create all of them from here. You can go for mockups as well. So if you just click on this mockup square, you can find the different mockups have been loaded like this. So you can use them anywhere and everywhere you wish to. So I'm not going to spend more time on one tool because there are 6 tools to cover. So let's move on the second tool. Now the second tool is the Slick Image Editor. So just click on it and this will again load up here. What this allows you to do is that, let me upload an image and show you. So let us upload this one. So you can see that this picture has loaded up and it has got some acnes over here. So if I wish to smoothen the screen, what I wish to do is that I can change the brush size and I can change the hardness. Now, the lower the hardness is, the more number of clicks you need to do, but it will produce better results. So if I click on this now, you can see that this is being changed. Now you can see this acne has been removed. Now in the same way, you can remove all of these stuffs as well. So this is one of the functions that it has. Secondly, what you can do is that you can add different effects to it, like clarity. You can add this cross process. Then there are multiple filters. If you just scroll down here, you can see there are multiple filters and effects that you can add to your images. Then you can add different enhancements, like you can add highlight. You can see the highlight part. Then you can add different contrast. And then you can also change the saturation to play around with it and produce the best effect. Then you can have the object aware crop. That means if there is any object, then you can just crop the object out of the background, which is quite amazing. You can resize it on different social media platforms as well, so that you can get the best for each of the platforms. And then you can edit this as well. You can have anything and everything. You can crop, you can resize, you can rotate. And then if you want to add more layers to it, like a text or anything like that, you can just add it from here. So that's how amazing it is. Now we have just covered the second tool. There are 4 more tools left. So let's move on quickly on to the third one. So the third tool in question is the one-click background remover. Now this is a simple tool to use. You can use the AI background remover to remove the background. So I will upload my own image. And there you go. There is the original image and there is the edited image. Now you can download it and use it anywhere you want. You can even paste this in front of any other picture to make it appear likewise. So that's quite cool. Now, with that being said, we'll move again to the fourth tool in question, that is the logo maker. And this is another AI-based tool which allows you to create logos. You just need to enter your company name, say NKR Academy, and then you need to produce the tagline, say best bonuses, and click on create logo. And then you can choose the type of logo. That is, if you want a graphical logo or an initials or signature. So let it be graphical, and let's produce to the next step, which is selecting a niche. Now you can select any niche you want. So for us, let it be technology, and let's click create logo. So it will take into account all of this, that is your tagline, your name and your niche, and it will use the AI engine to create 50 different logos. You can see here. So all of these are related to technology, as you can see, and it has created all of these logos. So you can just go ahead, like this one seems quite cool. You can just click on this, and as you can see here, it has loaded. So you can now edit it any ways you want. If you want to change the color, you can change it. You can use, like, let us do this red. And as you can see, so this is the way you can play around with it. You can change the fonts of your text. You can change the taglines from here as well. You can add text, images. You can have cutout objects. You can do anything that you wish to with this. So this is quite amazing stuff to have. So the next one that we will cover is the 3D live motion photos. So let's start this app. Now, this is by far a great app that can help you to create 3D motion photos. Like you can see over here, this football is revolving around its own axis, which is amazing. And you can also create this live motion photos. So let me create a live motion photo just in front of your eyes so that you can get to know how easy it is to work with it. Let us take any stock image for that. And this one seems quite good. Let's select, and you can select the size of the photo that you wish to use. So let us use this size and click on proceed. You can see this image looks quite good to start off, but now I want to add motion to this water. How to do that? For example, I want this water to move like this. So all that we need to do is come over here and click on draw directions. We can just add directions like this, but remember, this should be shorter in length. If you drag a longer arrow, it will actually look like a little turbulent. So the more shorter they are, the better effect it will come up. So let me draw these lines. So now my path is completed. So now let me play it. I'll show you how this affects. Now you can see there is a motion, but why this is not coming smoothly? Because the surroundings are moving with it as well. Herein is the trick. What you need to do is that you need to go over this one, that is pinpoints, and then you need to mark the portion which you want to be still. So let us create this boundary. Here you are. And now you can see these parts are not moving anyways. Only this part is moving. So you can use this skill to create anything and everything you wish to. You can change the animation speed. You can have it move quicker as well. That's up to you. You can create those stop motion kind of stuff using this amazing tool. And this one can be used to create the 3D motion photos as well. So I'm not covering this right up now because it is going to elongate this to a maximum amount. However, there is training on everything. And as you saw, everything is quite easy to work with. So there's nothing like you need a lot of technical expertise and all those stuffs to do that. The next one is the magic object remover. Now let me load it and show you how this works. So basically you can upload any image. So let me just upload an image. And in here, you can see this hand coming around myself. So what I can do is that I can remove this hand. So what to do for that? I can just create this kind of overlay and click on proceed. Now you can see that this hand has been removed. Now I could have spent a little more time to make it even smoother, but this is just for demo. I just wanted to show you how it happens. So you have seen what the capabilities are, and I really hope that you are very impressed with these 6 tools. Now, with that being said, I really hope that you are excited to have your hands on this brand new AI-powered design software, which can really design anything and everything for you on the go with zero technical skills. And if you wish to pick it up, then why not via my link? Because I have given you some amazing, insane, awesome bonuses. Let me just scroll down again and let me show you the different bonuses that I have. Now there are tons of bonuses. As you can see, I'm scrolling and it's yet not over. So there are many of them on my bonus page, and you can just go down on my bonus page and check for yourself the premium quality of my bonuses. And if you wish to get all my bonuses absolutely for free, then all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video, click the link to my bonus page. From there you can scroll down to find any of these red buttons, clicking on which you would go over to the DesignBeast sales page that we have already covered. And in here you can find any of these buttons to get access to DesignBeast, along with all my bonuses thrown in absolutely for free. And all your bonuses would be directly delivered inside your JVZoo account. You just need to log into your JVZoo account, go over to your purchases, go over to DesignBeast, and from there you can click on any of these buttons to get access to all my bonuses. However, if you have any questions or any problems in getting them, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us on our email ID or on our Facebook page. The link to both of them would be down in the description as well. With that being said, now it's time for us to cover the pricing that it has. The front end is going to be priced at $47 with commercial license. Now, if you are purchasing it for yourself only, then you can use the personal license as well at $37. But my recommendation is you should pick up the commercial license because it allows you to sell the creatives, and also it unlocks some other features like more templates and all those stuff. So With that being said, the first upgrade is the DesignBeast Elite, like the one that I had shown during the templates. There are certain templates that are on this Elite because you can see it unlocks 2000 additional ready to use templates. And not only you are going to get this 2000 additional templates right up on your purchase, but also you are going to get 80 new templates added to your account each month for the coming year, which is quite amazing. And then there is the DesignBeast Agency, which comes at 49 bucks. But I have got you covered with a bonus for this. So if you are buying this via my link, then probably you are not going to need this. The third upgrade is the Elite 4-in-1 app bundle. Now remember, I had taken you through 6 different softwares. Now there are actually 10 different software. Like there is a video resizer, there is a video survey pro, and then there is animated ad builder and this pixel perfect. These are the 4 different tools that you are going to get access to, and that also for a small price of 39 bucks one time. So this again makes it a recommended deal to have if you want more tools, and at this price, absolute no-brainer. The next one is the DesignBeast Unlimited, and it's going to be priced at $47, but I don't think you are going to require it right now because anyways, you are going to get 600 credits per month for each of the software, which is good enough to use. So I'm not kind of recommending this right away. What I would recommend you is that you should definitely pick up the commercial license right up on the front end. Then you can upgrade with the Elite one, which gives you more templates, but you must pick up this 4-in-1 app, that is the OTO 3, and this is going to be an amazing deal at 39 bucks. So that was it for my recommendation. Now all the upgrades are optional. Please feel free to go through the sales page. If you wish to pick up anything, you can definitely. With that being said, it brings me to an end of this DesignBeast review, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this DesignBeast review. If you have, please help me with a like and let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this DesignBeast review. With that being said, we'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families. And don't forget to take action. Keep rocking, keep rolling, keep learning, and keep making money online. Signing off is Shan from NK Academy. Take care. Bye-bye.